Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. In this video, we're exploring the PNC Bank website, found at pnc.com. This platform offers a wide range of financial services, catering to both individual and business needs. Navigating the site, you'll encounter sections dedicated to personal banking, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and investment options. For businesses, PNC provides services such as business checking, lending solutions, treasury management, and merchant services. The website aims to provide comprehensive information and tools to manage your finances effectively. You'll find resources for online banking, mobile banking, and even financial planning. PNC also emphasizes its commitment to security, outlining measures taken to protect customer information and prevent fraud. The site's layout appears designed for user-friendliness, with clear navigation menus and prominent search functionality. While the vastness of information might seem overwhelming initially, a closer look reveals a well-structured platform aimed at making financial management accessible. Exploring further, you'll discover sections dedicated to learning and financial education, indicating PNC's focus on empowering customers to make informed decisions. Additionally, the website highlights community involvement and initiatives, underscoring the bank's role beyond traditional financial services. The platform also features a robust customer service section, providing various contact methods including phone, email, and online chat. Overall, the PNC website appears to offer a comprehensive suite of financial tools and resources, presented in a user-friendly manner. My personal experience suggests it's a valuable platform for managing your financial needs. Remember, however, that this is just my personal overview, and you should always conduct your own thorough research before making any financial decisions. Be sure to check out the description for relevant links and further information.